Oh, how I wish my crash bar was a direct plug and play. So this is supposed to fit straight into place, and typically it would. Now I had some kind of cover here on the bike when I got it. It looks like somebody was customizing it already. Very, very clean bike. But I wanted to add a crash bar because I want to do some crazy stuff on it. So, of course, after lining everything up, seems like everything should fit into place, but it's gonna take a little bit of modifying. Now, in order for me to get this bracket that I need down there, I'm gonna have to cut a certain area off, and I'll have to show you what that is. Problem is my bracket for this is in the way, this piece is in the way. I can't get it. I can't get it in there. No other way. Ouch! Oh yeah! Finish kind of cleaning this up. Probably grind it down. I got a grinder right there. Yep, too sketchy. Notches like that. One. We're gonna reuse the same bolts to put this. I'm not sure what this bracket is for, but I could have cut them off, but ain't nobody gonna see it in here, so I don't really care. But I also have to shave down the edges. Come on. Alright, we got it to the other side, y'all. Finally. Alright, so.
Daddy.
What's up, son?
D-Box, you're biting you.
What?
D-Box.
Are biting him. But I don't know where the bug spray's at.
The bolts they give you do not properly go through the dang holes, except for this one. Thanks, eBay. We're going to have to widen up this little hole here, because pull it out a bit.
Christ, I'm gonna work out my faith like I'm walking at night. Walking by faith, I ain't walking by sight. Standing on Jesus, I know I'm alright. Was against the wall, he answered the call. They had left me alone, now I'm on the ball. I be rolling like I'm never gonna stop it. You thought the hammer on me, where did I pop it? Look up to Christ, now I ball like the rock, cause he get a ball to me whenever I drop it. Fighting the flesh, you just thought I was boxing. Passing the test, man, I'm never gonna flop it. Keep it 100, the Holy Spirit, keep the music jumping like a bunny. I never treat them different when they act funny. I'm wrapped up in this love, I might be a mummy. Walking in love is easy. With Christ I can do anything. Don't care who sees me. They forgot to pick me up, but he never leave me. And he died cause he said he need me. I trust in you cause you're faithful. For everything you do I'm grateful. Yeah, everything you do I'm grateful. Everything you do I'm grateful. Trust in you cause you're faithful. Yeah, everything you do I'm grateful. Everything you do I'm grateful.
I'm gonna use actually a blue medium strength thread locker on those back there. This is the reason why they don't give you directions, because they don't even know how to put it on. Haven't. But now that I did, it's cool. Forever to put that on. Now me and my wife are about to ride out into the wind. Oh shoot. I brought my leg.
Or so. That's why they wear the boots. It doesn't matter.
Boots don't go way up to here. Dang, I touched a muffler. To the next video.